So before that, actually, there is one more topic which we'll cover later on. But let's install this also, which is related to Faker installation. What is this Faker? If you go to npm.js, just search Faker. Faker is about creating the random data. I think Faker.js. It's not Faker. It's Faker.js. So hold on. This one. This is the official website. If you go here, fakerjs.dev.api. Yeah, this is just for the reading purpose. Learn it from here. What kind of fake data we can create? We can create a lot of things like person, Bitcoin address, different things, location, you know, from the finance. So this is test data creation thing, fake data. Okay, it's not, you should not take it as like real data, right? It's like this. Different thing, animal, lot of things. When you click on the dog, maybe dog will have some properties that will also come. So that I will showcase. So just install this Faker. The command I have given in the chat, I'm giving you in the chat that command to install Faker. This one, npm install hyphen hyphen save and save dev @ faker.js/faker. So now there should be no error. I am continuing with the environment part. What I was talking is how system will pick which environment you're working on. So in the Playwright config.js, you will see that there is something like this which is commented. If it is commented, just uncomment it. Probably within the first 10 line, you will be able to see this. Import .env from .env, import path from path. So .env is one more thing which you should have in your system. That we did, I think, in previous sessions. But if you have not done it, you should put this library also. So let me go to its GitHub. This is this one. There they have mentioned how to install npm install .env save. There in the website they have mentioned. So um, this will be helpful when you provide in the config, there are .env files, right? So this is to handle dot and then some kind of environment file. So .env is basically extension in one sense here. So uncomment this if it is commented, and then you should have this line of code in your system. What we are doing here is user will provide at the runtime what is their node underscore env variable. It's like this. If user will not provide it, not means if it is right, if user is not providing it, then automatically .env will be configured as from the directory, the project directory, go to the source folder config, and by default .env will become our environment file. It's like this. Else, if user is providing some node underscore env value, so it will come into else part. That case, simple. Same thing here, only difference is this time we are saying user will provide whatever the environment value, the same thing pick up as env.qa or env.stage. So for example, if I want to run my code in stage, so I should set the variable like this. Let me close this. ELS. So here, let's check. So you should do echo $$ node underscore env. Let me check. For me, it is set as QA. For you, it may be not set anything. So set it right now. You can say set node underscore env is equals to QA. Okay. Once you do that, and then you will do echo percentage, not dollar, echo percentage node underscore env percentage, it will give you the value. You may have issue when you will see it in PowerShell. So it's better you use command prompt or git bash. In that case, these commands will work. This is just to set the environment. Now, when I run my test case, it will pick up the username and password accordingly. So that is the login test case. Don't worry about it. As of now, I am more concerned about checkout test because I want to show you the fake, the data taking from um, test data. So in the create a folder, if you don't have, inside the source folder, you should have test data folder. And there I am creating shipping address data.json. And this is the value I am providing. You can provide any value, but there are fixed properties which I am providing is first name, last name, address, state, pin code, something like that.
Nitesh, Nitesh,
Yes.
you're going a little
Yeah.
bit fast. I'm setting environment.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry. Then I will miss the
Okay.
whole these things. Thank you.
So for the environment, I'm going back. What you should have is this one, and then I'm pasting this thing which will not be in your system. You have to add it. So this code is customized code which we are putting. I have given you. Probably in the first 10 line, you will see import.env from .env, import path from path. These will be the two things which you should have in your system. So how it will be there? You have to install .env. I have given already in the chat window to get it. So I have provided this also. Login test.spec.ts, which is related to basically doing login. Okay. And it's a very systematic way. When we are saying login, we are going to the home page. We are clicking on the sign in button. We are saying, hey, fill the email value, fill the password value, click on the login button. It's like this. You can set other things also. I think related to screenshot also you can set. So let's write screenshot. Yes. And colon and then a value. So it will show you once you put this, it will say whether you want to take the screenshot or not. So I'll say uh, only on failure. Okay. So this will take the screenshot. Fine. So you can add. There are a lot of other things also. I think video is also there. Yes, video. You keep it on or off. As of now, I'm keeping it off. But if you'll make it on, it will take the video. Then in the projects, I am keeping Chromium only. Rest of the things I have commented because I don't want to run in parallel. I don't want to run in different browser one by one. Rest of the things are commented here till the end, and it's like this. Fine. That's it. I'm saving it. Now, we talked about package.json. We talked about this. We will talk about utility now. In the utility, I have logger utils.ts. And this is a very common utility which you can get it now from the drive. The file name is loggerutil.ts. All the things will be .ts if it is utility or the page. The reason is only the test case file name will be .spec.ts. CSV to JSON, I have utility, but I will not provide this to you. As of now, it's not required. Test data. Inside the test data folder, we are keeping a JSON. Now the pages are important. When we start with bstack demo, okay, one more thing, URL you should have in your Playwright config. You should give the URL, let's say like this. So base URL is this. So use also I can give you. If I have not given you playwright config.ts, in the playwright config.ts use. Yeah, I have given already, but let me update it if you want to keep the screenshot. Why we are doing it? Because we don't want to say again and again, go to bstack demo, go to in our test cases. You just will say go to and slash. It will go to the base URL automatically. Homepage.ts is important to land up to the home page. The very first page in your system is for the testing is homepage.ts. That code is here. Then there will be login page because you have to log in after that, correct? So that is login page.ts. That should be under your pages. There is a folder which is pages or page, whatever you want to keep. But then when you give the path, then you have to keep in mind those things.
Nitish, I'm still getting error in logger from utility slash logger util. I checked everything. The name is correct and everything is still giving, and I paste it as well.
Let's do it all these things first, then we will see. Then there is all product page.ts, which is once you logged in, then you will be able to see all product page. And from the all product page, you will do checkout and all. So that code to fill the shipping address and all. So what checkout page is like, we are already added something to the cart. Now you want to go ahead with putting the shipping address and order and all, correct? Those things are here in checkout page.ts. That's it about having the pages. Then log files will be created automatically. You don't have to do anything, but you should have a folder name inside src log files. This folder should be there. Fixtures, don't do anything. Config, as I said, there will be 3 files. It's up to you how you want to manage different things, but there should be a folder configs. .env will be a file and the content will be this. Then there will be other files also. .env.qa. So .env.qa, because I want to keep something different, that's why we are keeping it like this. Then there will be .env.stage, let's say, stage environment. For that, I am keeping this as user and all. This is about config. That's it. Till now, apart from this, in the Playwright config.ts, not here, just have I added ts config in my system? No, it's fine. Okay, I have not added it. Fine. I was checking, is there anything else we should do? No. That's it about the config till now.